Today we'll be learning about how to log in into Dropbox account. For that you need to open any preferred browser and visit the Dropbox website or use the Dropbox application. For that, on the top you can see the search bar or the web address bar. Click on it and type in dropbox.com and press enter on the keyboard. Once you are taken to the official website of Dropbox account, you can click on this login button here at the top of the screen and the login box will appear where you can continue with Google or continue with Apple in order to log in into your Dropbox account, or else you can also enter the email address here. So once you enter the email address, you need to click on continue button and enter the password. After that, your Dropbox account will be easily logged in. So the main objective of Dropbox is to provide a cloud storage service that allows users to store, share and synchronize files across devices securely. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, and hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.